How to promote Temu on TikTok step by step. In this video, we're going to be talking about Temu and how you're going to be promoting it on TikTok in the easiest and most simplest way possible. So let's get straight into it. Now, Temu, as we all know, is one of the most top selling stores in the world. It's a great e-commerce store and you can easily go ahead and get any type of item on it. It's basically just like Amazon, AliExpress, etc. So, what we're going to do is we're going to choose a product on Temu. We're going to be uploading it on TikTok so we can actually get good marketing out of it. All right. Now, how are we going to upload it on TikTok? Let me tell you the steps. So we have a product. All right. We're going to copy its link. Once we copy its link, we're also going to make sure to create a good advertisement for it. Okay. So any good advertisement that we create is going to be related to the product that we have. And once we have created that good advertisement, we're going to upload it on TikTok with the actual link. That's going to be our affiliate link. And, that is pretty much how we are going to create a good promotion and marketing platform for ourselves. All right. So to start things off, let's go ahead into the product section. Okay. So first of all, you're going to make sure to check TikTok. Okay, you're going to check what's actually booming on the TikTok marketplace. You're not going to take any random product. You're going to make sure to take a product that is actually going wild nowadays. Actual products that people are watching, actual products that people are affiliated with, actual products that people are affiliated with, etc. Okay? So, when we have an idea of the product that we want, we're going to come over here to Temu. We're going to search that product. So let's say I have this product. These are drum products, okay? These are double bass pedals, okay? So I'm going to go over to these. And once we come over to this product, okay, what we're going to do from here is we're going to make sure to get this product immediately for ourselves or our stores. Also, it's going to ask you for validation. So just validate yourself. And once you've done that, you're going to come to the certainty of drum products over here, right? So let's say I told you that I want double bass pedals. Okay, so here are double bass pedals right here. We're going to click on these and it's going to open this up for us. So the double bass pedals, as you can see, are $67.97. Okay, and there's almost sold out. So that is a good selling point. So this will obviously target musicians, and in musicians, it will specifically target drummers. Okay, we're going to sell this off to drummers and we're going to actually, show to them or showcase to them how this product will actually help them a lot. Okay, so first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to take the images, okay, off of this. So first of all, I'm going to take this image off because this looks like a pretty good image to showcase. So I'm going to save this image. Okay, so we have this image saved. Okay. Also make sure that the images you choose are MP4 or MP3 images. Okay, you don't want it to be WEBP or anything like that. So to edit our images, we're going to come over to Canva. Now in Canva here, it says, what will you design today? So over here, what we're going to do is we're going to write in TikTok. Now, once we write in TikTok here, it's going to say TikTok photo mode. And that is what we're going to go exactly to. So once you come over to TikTok photo mode, you're going to click on create a blank TikTok photo mode canvas. Okay, so this creates a canvas for you. Now what you can do over here is you can actually start editing it the way you want. So you're going to create different pages for the different amount of pictures you were going to want to get. So right now I'm going to create 4 pages, right? So first of all, we're going to come here. I'm going to open up this image. We're going to go ahead and take a screenshot of this. Okay, so I'm going to take a screenshot right here. There we go. Now you're going to come over to Canva, click on the page, click on paste, and look at that. There we have our first image. Then you're going to go to the second page and you're going to go to your second image. So this image looks pretty decent, and we're going to go to screenshot again, and you're going to take a screenshot of this image as so. And we're going to come over to the untitled design, paste it right here. There we are. And now finally, you're going to go over ahead to this image. This looks pretty cool as well. So I'm going to go ahead, take a screenshot off of this. There we are. And then one last screenshot, I'll take it off of the actual descriptions that it has given to us. Okay, so page 3, paste it right here. And then finally, we're going to come down where it actually has pretty decent images, just like this one. So adjustable bottom drum fixed splint. So let's say I'm going to take this off. I'm going to take a screenshot. There we go. Come to the untitled page design, and we're going to put it right here. So now we have 4 proper pictures for our design. Okay. So what we're going to do is, first of all, we're going to expand this out like this. And now you are going to go ahead and edit them. So there's different ways to edit these images. You can choose the different types of color gradings you want to go with. You can choose the different filters that we have. So as you can see, we have different filters with different shades. So right now I'm going to stay with none because I don't really want to add any external filter over it. You can adjust the actual brightness of the image. So let's say I'm going to make it a tad bit bright and keep the contrast high. I'm going to lower down the highlights, increase the shadows, and just make sure that the whites match out the blacks. Okay, so accordingly, just like this. There we go. So now the image looks pretty decent. So now once we have this image, you're going to add the necessary textings over it. Okay, because the text is one of the most important things. So in the text, what you're going to do is you're going to add the actual details of the kit. So we have double chain, double bass drum pedals, heavy duty iron construction, smooth step on a hammer, etc. So you're going to add all these details in. Obviously, make sure to choose a good font. So let's say I'm going to write this over here, right? Double pedals. Okay. You're going to go ahead and write that. Keep it right here, you know, so it has a good showcase, etc. And just like this, you're going to keep the images. Make sure to scale them properly across the actual page. Okay, and I'm going to increase its size just like that, and you're going to make sure that the scaling of it is proper. So there we go. Now we have a good image over here, and make sure that this image is fully scaled because we actually want to give people a good idea of the actual technicalities that go into this. So we have, you know, adjustable bottom drum fixed splint. So once you have your images ready, what you're going to do is you're going to click on share, you're going to click on download, and you're going to download all the pages. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to go ahead and click on download. Once we download all the images, it's going to give you a zip file. There we go. So what you're going to do is you're going to extract this zip file and extract all the needed images out of it. And once you have done that, don't forget to click on share, and you're going to copy the actual link. Okay, so once you've copied the link, now what you're going to do is you're simply going to go ahead to upload. And once you go to upload, you're going to go ahead, upload all these images. You know, make sure to add a good music on them. Okay, because if you add a good song, it's just going to be much better for the outreach. Make sure to use a song that's popping off on TikTok. That will actually cause people to, you know, actually slow down, check your feed, and see that, you know, if you've used a popular song, it will catch their attention. And once you have uploaded these images, do make sure and don't forget to leave the link that we've copied over here in the description below to the post that you're actually uploading this on. Okay. And once you do that, that is basically how you are going to be promoting Temu on TikTok in the easiest and most simplest way. And that will cause your products to actually come to the high rankings and actually get sold. Okay, so this is the main idea of marketing your Temu products on TikTok. And if you want more tips and tricks about this, please do let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be going through extensive detail on this topic. Okay. So yeah, that is pretty much about all there is for this video. Please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is all from me, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great and incredible day. Goodbye.